I love my Pokemon. It's so gorgeous. What is that thing? It's my Pokemon. Duh. Looks ugly. I feel like I want to kill it. Better not kill it. Well, honestly, I do. I mean, look how ugly it is. That's unbelievable, King Pig. You stay away from it. I have this knife. Don't you dare. Come here. No. Get repaired and die. No. It's dead. No. 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 Now get this stupid Pokemon out of here. I was my best friend. Thought I was your best friend. You're obviously not. I've never been your friend. That's unbelievable. Now you should die too. What? No, give me that. Uh-oh. Now. Ow! I'm hurt. Why would you hurt me? Because you hurt my best friend and killed him. It was only a joke. A joke? A joke? Yes, a joke. You're grounded. Where is this? Oh, you're grounded. Go to your room now.